I haven't worked in 2.5 months. I'm going insane. So I got bored and started playing with lasers. So I'm going to try something new here. I don't do video editing or anything like that. So we're going to just let this go and talk over it. So what we're going to do here is we're opening up our DVD drive, CD drive, whatever you got. I ended up having both because I'm cheap. It's just what I had laying around. It's what I found at thrift stores. So what we're really going to need from the DVD drive or CD drive is the drive mechanism that is inside the drive itself, the part where it moves the laser back and forth, and the actual stepper motor itself. These will end up acting as our X and Y axis. So what I'm doing here now is I'm putting the covers back together. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna use the covers as the tables for, well, not tables, to mount the tables, because I'm cheap. I'm broke. Like I said, I don't have a job. So I'm gonna make this as cheap as possible. We're gonna use some cheap angle brackets to hold things together. We got right angle brackets in the front. We got straight angles in the back. So I ended up actually screwing up here and having to file out the holes just a little bit, just to make them line up a little better. working with this board, I ended up seeing that it was pretty warped. So right here I'm adding in the jumpers and the driver components and all that stuff. I'm going to add it onto the board. But after I put it on the board, I mean, I had to bend a few pins back beforehand, but now that you'll see it up close here, you can see how bad it gets on some of these. Like, just watch how I bend this pin back. It's so bad. At this point, I gave up on narrating the rest of this, so here's the rest of the video. I just want this out. I'm building a bigger machine. Got to get that one done. Like, I'll do the editing better on that one. I stopped caring. So with this, as you can see, I really like how the laser looks with the light, so I'm gonna start doing the rest of the videos like that. I got like one more coming out, so I'm gonna do that with the rest.